Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn how to wrap your text according to a shape in CorelDRAW. So let's get started. But before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel and keep learning with us consistently. Let's begin. First of all, import your shape onto the page. Now, choose the text tool and drag a rectangle just like I showed in the video. After that, go to the text menu and select Paragraph Text Frame. Then click on Insert Placeholder Text so that a random paragraph will appear inside the box. Now, go to the horizontal alignment options and choose Full Justify. Next, select your object and go to the Wrap Text option. From there, choose Straddle Text. After this, open the Text Wrap Offset settings and increase or decrease the value to adjust how the text wraps around the shape. As shown in the video, I think for this project, a value of 0.1 is too close to the shape, so I will select the object again and change its value to 0.25. Yes, I think this is perfect, exactly the spacing I wanted.
So in this way, you can use text wrap in any of your projects. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.